If you need to find your Bluehost name servers, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to look inside your Bluehost account so you can find the name servers for your domain in just a few clicks. This is helpful if you're connecting your domain to a website builder, pointing your domain to a new host, or updating DNS settings manually. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account using your browser. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain section. This is where Bluehost keeps everything related to your registered domains and domain settings. Click on Domains to continue. Now you'll see a list of your domains. Select the domain you want to manage. If you have more than one domain in your account, make sure you choose the correct one because the name servers can be checked per domain. After selecting the domain, look for the name servers or DNS settings area. Bluehost may label this section slightly differently depending on your account layout, but it will always be somewhere in the domain management settings. Once you find that section, click to open it. Here, you'll be able to view your current Bluehost name servers. In many cases, the standard Bluehost name servers are ns1.bluehost.com and ns2.bluehost.com. If your domain is using Bluehost's default setup, those are the name servers you'll usually see listed right there. If you're changing your name servers to another provider, this is also the place where you can compare the current settings before making any updates. It's always a good idea to double check the values before saving anything, because one small typo can stop your domain from working correctly, and that's it. That's how to find name servers in Bluehost. Once you know where to look, it only takes a moment to check them. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy Bluehost and website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.